period.
Report mar riwruok marango chenro mag yiero mong'ere kaka ELOG oseo duol mar IEBC tend arita kwe kod duond buche kuom jawo chenro mag yiero madundo mande notim e pacho ka. E kinde golo lipodgi ewi yiero madundo manche notim, ELOG owacho ni yiero no nyicha nopong' kod buogo jogo ombulu, mibadhi, tiarietha kod mwandu jopiny e temo lombo chuny jogo ombulu, lweny kod rochruok e chenro mag konyo joma onge kod nyalo mar go ombulu. ELOG onyiso tend arita kwe mondo ne ni ochiwo arita madwarore e kinde goyo ombulu manyime kendo ne ni jogo machiwo chenro mag arita gin jogo mopuodhi. Gikwayo tend arita kwe bende mondo non timbe njore kod lweny manoneno e kinde goyo ombulu.
Kasipul, in Malava, in Mbeere North, in Nairobi, and in Machakos. All this during the campaign period, which was fueled by allegations of monetary inducements from different political camps. These are the long-term observers. Had reported allegations of voter inducements using monetary or material incentives, including distribution of items such as relief goods, blankets, and other goods in some constituencies. The scale and openness of these acts call to question the fairness of that electoral campaign period. And we note that the distribution of relief goods, blankets, and other material incentives during campaigns constitute, in our view, voter bribery under the Kenyan law.
Action to prosecute those found guilty should be expeditiously undertaken to mitigate against future repeat offenses. Provide consistent impartial enforcement across all active polling stations. To political parties and the candidates, adhere to the Electoral Code of Conduct at all times and ensure that the same for party members and aspirants under the party ticket. Political parties, just like the IEBC, have the power to disqualify candidates in breach of electoral laws, rules, as well as the code of conduct that the party